Hi, Howard Zonder here, CEO and founder of Landspeed, with a quick tip. So you just bought a piece of property. Congratulations, you've accomplished the next major milestone in the business. And now you need to market and sell the property so you can collect all that profit, buy more profits, or maybe buy your wife a present, do something nice with it. So when you get to the marketing phase, it's really important to understand some basic marketing principles, and I want to share one of those with you today, and that is market aspirations, not the product. Yes, you can put information in there like, okay, the product is this many acres, or it's in this location. You need that information, but that's not going to sell a property. What you need to do is you need to understand who your buyers are and what motivates them and what it is they're trying to accomplish with the property. Do they want to live off grid? Do they want to build a cabin? Do they want to put a tiny house on it? Are they buying recreational property so they can build an ATV course on it? If you understand what people want to do with it, then you market that aspiration more so than the product, and you will sell property a lot faster. So what I like to say to people is there's two reasons people buy. There's two ways to sell, I should say. There's the emotional sell, and then there's the logic sell. So here is the inside information. Nobody buys based on logic. Everybody buys based on emotion. So tap into that emotion. That's why they're going to buy it. Now you still need to provide the logic argument, but let me tell you what they're going to do with that. That's how they're going to justify their purchase to their friends and family after they bought it for an emotional reason. So in your marketing, tap into the aspirations and then just put the logic there as support. Good luck.